Wow, Rohan, you are playing here in this room with Kate. Tell me about this cat.
That cat is so nice and cute because look, he is just crawling under the ground. He is coming for you.
Wow,
Now
wow,
he fell down.
wow, wow.
But next time I just sleep already. It is
Yes,
setting.
yes. Outside is raining, I think.
Yeah, because of I sleep.
Oh, ho.
Look at that cat. Lala, look at that cat. Wait, he's touching. Why?
Oh, naughty cat, huh? It's so cute.
Yeah, Lala. I can see that cat day has pimples.
Oh, shit. Show to me your cat, please. Wow. So very
Lala,
beautiful.
do you
Yes,
like the cats?
yes, because it's your friend, I think.
Yeah, we are rich.
Rohan,
What?
what about the cat?
The cat is hiding over there. He is scared because of dogs. But dogs are very big and strong because the cat is scared.
Okay.